Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, fog lamps, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.